Hello friends, today we will see the important point of chapter 11 of Science NCERT 8th from which direct questions come in the exam. This is important for all exam. So let's start without wasting of time. Chapter number 11, chapter name is Chemical Effects of Electric Current. The materials which allow electric current to pass through them आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। वैसे मटेरियल्स जिसमें कि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट मतलब विद्युत धारा पास करती है थ्रू देम, उनके अंदर से क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट मतलब विद्युत धारा पास करती है, बहती है, वह क्या होता है, गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, विद्युत के अच्छे चालक होते हैं। ऑन अदर हैंड मटेरियल्स विच डू नॉट अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, और वैसे मटेरियल्स जिसमें विद्युत धारा पास नहीं करते हैं, डैम इजी वे में आर पुअर कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वह क्या होते हैं, विद्युत के कुचालक होते हैं। गॉट इट। नेक्स्ट, डू लिक्विड्स कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? व्हाट? टू टेस्ट वेदर अ लिक्विड अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी current to pass through it or not, we can use the same tester. While checking your tester, do not join its free ends for more than a few seconds. Otherwise, the cells of the battery will drain very quickly. Next, when the liquids between the two ends of the tester allow the electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester becomes complete. Okay, next, the current flow in the circuit and the bulb glow. When the liquids does not allow the electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester is not complete and the bulb does not glow. Okay, next, due to the heating effect of current, the filament of the bulb gets heated to a high temperature and it start glowing. However, if the current through a circuit is too weak, the filament does not get heated sufficiently and it does not glow. You may use an LED in place of the electric bulb in the tester. LED glow even when a weak electric current flow through it. There are two wires called LEDs attached to an LED. One LED is slightly longer than the other. Remember that while connecting to a circuit, the longer LED is always connected to the positive terminal. जो लंबे तार होंगे LED के, उसको कौन सा टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट करना है, जोड़ना है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से ऑफ द बैटरी, एंड द शॉर्टर LED is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. We have found that common salt when dissolved in distilled water makes it a good conductor. Now we will discuss about chemical effect of electric current. Take out carbon rods carefully from two discarded cells. Clean their metal caps with sandpaper. Okay. Wrap copper wires around the metal cap of the carbon rod and join them to a battery. We call these two rod electrodes. Okay. In 1800, a British chemist, William Nicholson, 1753 to 1815, had shown that if electrodes were immersed in water and a current was passed, bubbles of oxygen and hydrogen were produced. Oxygen bubbles formed on the electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery and hydrogen bubble formed on the other electrode. Next, electroplating. When electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate dissociate into copper and sulfate. The free copper get drawn to the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery and get deposited on it. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. Electroplating is a very useful process. It is widely used in industry for coating metal object with a thin layer of a different metal. Example, chromium plating is done on many objects such as car part, bath tap, kitchen gas burner, bicycle handle bars, wheel rim, and many other. Next, chromium is expensive and it may not be economical to make the whole object out of chromium. So the object is made from a cheaper metal and only a coating of chromium over it is deposited. Okay. Next, jewelry makers electroplate silver and gold on less expensive metal. Next, tin cans used for storing food are made by electroplating tin onto iron. Okay. Next, tin is less reactive than iron. tin जो होते हैं कम रिएक्टिव होते हैं देन आयरन के कंपेरेटिवली. Thus food does not come into contact with iron and is protected from getting spoiled. Now we will discuss about what you have learned. Okay. Some liquid are good conductors of electricity and some are poor conductor. Next, most liquids that conduct electricity are solution of acid, bases and salt. Next, the passage of an electric current through a conducting liquid cause chemical reaction. Next, the resulting effect are called chemical effect of current. Next, the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपने कुछ नया सीखा होगा. होप यू विल लर्न समथिंग न्यू. राधे राधे. Thank you for watching this video.